Hi friends, today we're going to be making something really interesting. It's like a musical instrument that you can make at home. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of them that I've made. And these are called kazoos and they sound like this. So we're going to be exploring vibrations again today. And we know that vibrations are what make sound. So today the materials you're going to need are a toilet paper roll, or you can use a paper towel roll. You can keep it long or you can cut it right in half. The next thing you're going to need is some waxed paper. Now, you can use a big sheet of it, and we're going to be cutting it into a smaller piece. And the last thing you'll need are some rubber bands. Now, if you don't have rubber bands, you can use glue, but I will tell you that if you decide to use glue and you don't have rubber bands, you are going to have to wait for the glue to dry before you play your instrument. All right, let's get started. You're going to take your paper towel roll, and the first thing you want to do, and a grown-up might help you with this, you're going to take scissors and you're going to poke a hole, just a small hole, like that, right into the paper towel or toilet paper roll. Then you're going to take your wax paper. Now, when you take your wax paper out, it's going to be in a long sheet. You want to just cut a square that will fit around the roll. So if you want to put your paper towel or toilet paper roll right on there, okay, you can cut a square so that it fits right on there. You can also get fancy. And if you want to make it a circle, it'll just fit around your paper towel roll nicely, okay? You want to put it on the bottom, wrap it around the sides, and make sure it doesn't cover the hole. Once you've done that, you're going to take your rubber bands and wrap it around so that the wax paper stays flat. If you decide to use glue, you're going to put glue all around the edges. Stick the tube in the middle and fold it over. Now, like I said, if you do use the glue option because you don't have any rubber bands at home, you're going to want to set that to the side and let it dry before you play it. Now, that's all you have to do to make a kazoo. Now, you can see the ones that I put here are very colorful and decorated. So I used pieces of paper, and you can use paper too to decorate, or you can use gems and paint to decorate your kazoo. Now, once it's done and it's ready, it doesn't matter if yours looks fancy or plain. You will hear the same kind of sound. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. You want to make sure that your wax paper is flat across the top like a drum. Now, once you have your wax paper on there, you're going to be playing it and exploring with it. And you're going to be trying to answer a focus question, just like we do when we do our experiments in class. Your experiment focus question says, why does your voice sound fuzzy? What is vibrating? Okay? Why does your voice sound fuzzy? And what is vibrating? So you're going to be using your kazoo to play a little song. It sounds a little fuzzy. Why does it sound fuzzy? What part of the kazoo is vibrating? Why does your voice sound fuzzy? So if you don't have the materials at home to make a kazoo, you can just listen to Miss Mooney and observe what part of the kazoo is vibrating to make that fuzzy sound. If you're able to make this at home, you're going to make it, and I want you to take a picture of the kazoo and you, and I want you to post it to Class Dojo portfolio. There's an assignment there that's called Science Kazoo. I want you to upload a picture so that I can see you made a kazoo. Now, when you take the picture, there's also a spot where you can write something. What I want you to do, and you can use a grown-up's help if you'd like, you need to write what part of the kazoo is vibrating and why does your voice sound funny. I'm gonna do the kazoo again. And those of you who don't have the materials at home to make this, you can watch my kazoo when I play it. Can you see the vibration? What part of this kazoo was vibrating? All right, my friends, I can't wait to see how creative you can be. I can't wait to see your beautiful kazoos, and I can't wait to hear your answer to our question. What's vibrating and why does your voice sound funny? I'll see you soon.